Hi, I'm Seth Fineberg, Managing Editor of AccountingWeb. I am here with Justin Reinard of DMA, from DMA, and he is the VP of Tax and Technology at his firm. And we're here discussing the realities of the automated practice, and particularly here at the Avalara Crush event 2018 in Washington, D.C., the topic of automation, particularly related to tax, has come up, and how intimidated a lot of practitioners are in having to deal with a multitude of factors related to automation. I wanted to address one issue with you and just get your reactions to what do you think the biggest blockers are right now to automation as a practitioner?
Sure. Part of it's experience. You're looking at the different organizations, mid-market, enterprise, there's different experience levels.
Sure.
Part of it is actually technology. And you see this evolving technology that's occurring right now, and it's all excellent, it's exciting. But keeping up with that certainly adds
Sheer
challenges.
Availability.
Sure, the availability of it, absolutely. Yeah. But by and large, it's the complexity of the governing authorities. Each state can have its own regulations and does have their own regulations. The localities do as well. Right now, we're in an evolving time within the state and local taxation. You have South Dakota versus Wayfair going on. There's different reporting requirements that have came up recently. So I really believe it's just the ever-changing and the evolution of the governing authorities.
Anything in your experience, have you experienced inside of your firm and with your clients that you work with that have been, well, I guess deemed as a blocker to automation? What tends to get in the way?
You know, it's challenging. And for an organization to prioritize a sales and use tax calculation is sometimes quite challenging internally.
Sure.
So first they have to build the business case, they have to obtain budget, and then they have to be able to prioritize that within their own IT organization. That often causes its own difficulties. But there again, just like the governing authorities are changing, the business is evolving as well. So when you look at the business side, you can't take a snapshot of what your requirements are today and what your IT landscape looks like today.
It'll be tomorrow.
It's different tomorrow,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't say blockers necessarily, but we see a lot of challenges due to internal priorities as well as resource knowledge base and availability.
Great. Justin, thank you so much.
Absolutely.